All right, hey guys, so we had somebody reach out to us from the UK on our social media. He actually follows us online. He's got a Jaguar F-Pace. He's actually a US serviceman. How you doing, Mike? And got your kit ready. So we're gonna get it boxed up and shipped out to you. But just wanted to show you, we keep templates of a lot of the installs that we do. So what we were able to do is build him all the bracketry, and so we're just gonna ship it out to him. This is the adapter that we make for the center channel, so it allows you to put a 4-inch focal as well as the focal tweeter, and basically turn it into a coaxial for the center. These are for the middlers, so these go in the door itself. So what it does is it actually picks up 2 of the stock bolts, and then we thread and tap two additional bolts to mount the driver to the adapter. And then so this now bolts to the car itself. So these are the 3 mounting points in the vehicle. We add these 2 additional points to mount the driver to our adapter. And then lastly, we have the door speaker adapter. So these are quite deep, as you can tell, but he's gonna be running focal 6.5s, which are a fairly big driver. Actually, let me grab one. As you can see, that's a pretty hefty driver. It's big magnet, big basket, a lot of depth, right? So that's why this adapter has to have so much height on it. So what it does is, and as you can see, it's built for the driver. So I mean, literally it's as flush as you can get, and it spaces the driver forward so that it will clear the window mechanism. The nice thing about this is it bolts up to all the stock locations. So there's no modification to the vehicle itself. You bolt the driver to this adapter, and then you can bolt the adapter to the vehicle. Same thing with all our other adapters. Again, just trying to keep it so that you don't have to modify the vehicle at all, and you can bolt in really good equipment without having to change much on the vehicle. The nice thing about that is if you ever decide to literally unbolt it all, bolt all the stock stuff back in it, never know we were there. And then we've actually pre-added all the foam gasket on the top so that when you put in the driver, it seals the speaker against the adapter. And then we also include this piece of deadener, which is cut about a 1/2 inch bigger than the speaker all the way around. So what that does is you mount this where behind the speaker, cut out the center, and then the center goes behind the speaker. And this is a 3-part deadener. So it's the butyl, the foil, and then a foam. What's nice about that is the foam acts as a gasket. So when you screw the adapter in, it now seals the adapter against the door, but it also deadens all the metal around the speaker and where the adapter mounts to. Also, by cutting out this center section and putting it behind the speaker, the foam itself actually acts as like a deflection pad, so it kind of absorbs some of the back waves of the speaker and allows it to sound better. All right, so just like Mike, if you're somewhere else in the country or even somewhere else on the planet, and you're in a situation where you want to do your car and you've either seen one of our videos or you don't know if we've done the vehicle, you can reach out to us, and we may have either done the vehicle or we may have templates for it already, and we can manufacture or machine a lot of these adapters for you and ship them out to you. So if you're interested, please give us a text at 773-489-7469. Thanks a lot for watching.